Hi guys, so if you want to create individual filters or automatic filters for various different things, so if say your form group, you want to, anytime an email comes from a form parent, goes into a form group folder, or anything that comes from your head department goes into a different folder, anything that comes from a specific person can go into a third one. So if you say, look here, I've got year 7, year 8, year 9. Whenever I get an email from a year 7 related subject, it goes straight into that year 7 inbox and makes me aware of things that are going on. Because obviously at some point you can get quite a few emails and you don't want to lose track of important documents. So yeah, I have it for year 7, year 8 and year 9. So what you're going to do to create these, you need to go settings, see all settings. Once you get into this bit, you want filters and blocked addresses. So these new inboxes or these automatic filters or labels are from filters here. So what you need to do is create a new filter and then type something in. So if I just put it for my non-work email, anything that comes to me, and I want to click create filter. So what it's going to do, it's going to create another box for me. It gives me a few options. So when an option arrives, what I want to do, I want it to apply the label, and I create a new label. And again, you can call these whatever you want. Emails from Damien. I create that email. Hopefully you can see on the left here, it's popped up with its own little inbox, as it were. So anytime I get an email from that address, it's going to go straight into that inbox. So let's just test it out. So there, hopefully you can see it's popped up emails from Damien and it's put it straight into this. It also puts it into my inbox, but it allows me to almost automatically segregate them to make it a little bit easier for my organization. And if you want to remove them, it's the same process, just in reverse. Filters, delete, and delete filter. Once you've deleted it, unfortunately you can't get them back.